far western Minnesota. We're talking late this afternoon into the evening. Then overnight, the heaviest rain moves in, but that's trending further south. Kind of the emphasis for the higher rainfall totals is the Minnesota River Valley I-90 corridor, where several inches of rain is expected. We still are expecting a wet Friday morning commute here in the Twin Cities, but again, that more impactful stuff is likely slipping further south. Here's a bigger picture. We've got some dissipating storms across South Dakota right now, and a group of thunderstorms that's still rolling over the UP of Michigan right now. But otherwise, the rest of us mostly quiet. High clouds starting to move in, and I think the high clouds will have an impact on our temperature today. Most of us will stay just shy of 90 for forecast highs. Late this afternoon, we talked about that thunderstorm threat. There is a marginal risk for severe weather across western and far northern Minnesota. That's again late this evening and over during the early evening hours, we'll say. Once we get after dark tonight, the threat for severe weather basically wanes. By 4 o'clock, those storms just crossing into far western Minnesota, and you can see they congeal and become less severe as we head into the overnight hours. Heaviest rain still forecast across southern and southwestern Minnesota. We're kind of on the northern edge of the heaviest rain here in the Twin Cities, but we still could see a quarter to half an inch. That's possible, but looks like lesser rain the further north you go. I want to show you forecast rainfall totals because this area in particular, the brighter colors right here, 1 to 3 inches possible, but we could certainly see some locally higher amounts. I wouldn't be surprised to see a couple of isolated locations getting more than 3 inches of rain within a very short amount of time. So some minor urban flooding possible, poor drainage areas, creeks and streams might see some overflowing as well, so something to keep in mind. Once we get beyond Friday, a decent weekend is taking shape. Temperatures in the 80s, lots of sunshine. Still, we'll call it filtered sunshine as we head into Saturday and Sunday with a touch of wildfire smoke, but otherwise a beautiful weekend is taking shape, not only here in the Twin Cities, but really region-wide. And once we get beyond Friday, that pretty much does it for our rain chances for a while. We'll still stay in the 80s through early next week with a few spotty showers by next Tuesday. Sunrise is back after this.